Hello, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to tell you everything you need to know about child support and immigration. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive updates on immigration topics and changes that may affect your life. You can also follow us on our social media. Links are in the description below. I'm immigration attorney Connie Kaplan, and I'm an immigrant just like you. For the past 10 years, we have been helping immigrants everywhere make the United States their permanent home. Let's get into child support, shall we? When you are separated or divorced from your spouse and are ordered by a court to pay child support, your immigration status may hang in the balance. You obviously know that you should contribute to the care, maintenance, and education of your children. Still, if you fail to pay this legal obligation, you may experience immigration consequences. Any foreign-born spouse who is ordered to pay child support yet fails to comply may be ineligible for immigration benefits, and this includes citizenship. When examining your background as part of your citizenship application, the immigration officer will decide if you're a person of good moral character. Unpaid taxes and late child support obligations can affect your chances of approval. Good moral character is a formal requirement with a particular legal meaning. A person of good moral character is consistent with the expectations of the law in the community in which they live. This means much more than simply not committing crimes, okay? When would an immigration officer challenge your good moral character? It could be for repeated alcohol use, some types of arrests, interfering in other people's marriages, or causing a divorce. Immigration officials judge these behaviors with a highly subjective view. Your unpaid debts are also relevant as they raise questions about your moral character. It's possible to be barred from citizenship if you do certain things. A bar is when you are prevented from something. In this case, a bar means your citizenship will be denied and you might not be able to reapply. There are two types of bars, permanent and temporary. Permanent bars are for serious crimes such as certain sexual offenses and dealing drugs. If you're subject to a permanent bar, it is not safe to apply for citizenship. Not only that, but in addition to being denied citizenship, you could be detained, deported, and barred from re-entering the United States. There are temporary bars for less severe crimes, such as alcoholism or non-criminal behavior. These bars are temporary because USCIS only looks back 5 years to find them, or 3 years if you're married to a US citizen. Let's say you are subject to a temporary bar. In that case, your citizenship application will be denied, but you will remain a permanent resident. You can reapply for citizenship as soon as your record has remained clear for the last 5 or 3 years. Failure to comply with court-ordered child support payments is considered a serious matter. USCIS will hold this against you even if the court that ordered you to pay is located outside the United States. The officer can impose a temporary bar to citizenship based on unpaid child support. Child support is considered both a legal and a moral obligation. As such, if your child is under the age of 18, you will be expected to prove you pay your fair share of child support even without a court order. As an immigration attorney, I advise clients with immigration goals completely differently than US citizens. You may have to prove every child support payment. So plan accordingly because the decisions you make today could impact your naturalization process later. While naturalization may not be an immediate goal, if these obligations are not taken seriously now, citizenship will not be possible later. Failure to pay your court-ordered child support may also prevent you from getting a green card as well. A clean record of paying child support also helps your good moral character reporting, which is necessary to avoid deportation. Child support payments are required even when you, the foreign national, do not have the legal ability to work in the United States. When you are considering becoming a US citizen, let us help you. We are working with immigrants whose future embody peacefulness and accomplishment. If this is how you see your own future and want us to help you get there, give us a call at 954-982-8686. We look forward to guiding you.